In this video, I'll be covering the main features of Notability. It's a very famous note-taking app, sharing what I love about it and where I think they could do better. So let's go. Hey guys, this is iOSir. I will do iOS app reviews as well as giving you guys helpful tips to let you make the best of your iOS devices. So if you're also an iOSer, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Notability is a powerful note-taking and PDF annotating app. It's always one of the most paid apps in the App Store within the past few years. You'll have to spend $8.99 to purchase Notability, which compared to GoodNotes 5 costs you a little bit more, but they will offer discounts sometimes. Apart from that, Notability also offers in-app purchases, which we'll be talking about later. Comparing to GoodNotes 5, I think Notability is more like a digital notepad. There's no such thing like books in Notability. You simply place all your notes in the subjects you create, then you can put your subjects into different dividers. Needless to say, Notability has the most basic tools in a note-taking app, like pen, highlighter, text, eraser, lasso. So now let's have a quick tour of Notability. In the right top corner, open the utility option. Then you can click on the paper to change the template of your notes. You can get these background color presets and page patterns such as blank, line, square, dotted. Choose the one that suits your certain notes the most. I'll show you guys one of my notes. First of all, you can type anywhere around the page, but you won't be able to move it, so you create a type sticker. If you simply just tap on a place and type, the text will be fixed there. Then you get a wide range of fonts, sizes, and colors. Choose the font that you like and adjust the size by clicking on the plus/minus button. Select one particular size, choose the color from the presets. Also, you can save your font, size, color combination as presets. Just long press on these ABC button to create a preset. Another thing has to be mentioned is you can actually customize the toolbar. Just drag the tools and place them to anywhere on the toolbar. For example, you can put an overview option for a subject in the toolbar, so you can view the whole subject and navigate to any individual page for reference. In addition, there's a text-to-speech option in text. Built-in AI can read out the text when it's required.
Welcome to my channel, iOSirs.
Then we'll right swipe from the left side of the screen, open the note switcher to go back to our demonstration. Let's move on to the pen. You can choose pressure sensitive one by choosing the right one style. Now you'll get a haptic feedback on your writings. The heavier you write, the thicker your writing will be. There are 12 fixed thickness allowing you to pick many color presets, or you can customize them in your color section. And the highlighter basically works the same as pen, so I'm not going into depth about this one. But the highlighter in Notability has bugged a lot of users because of the highlighter you draw on the writings will cover them and make them a little bit blurry. That's one thing I'm not a fan of, and I really hope them can make some improvements on that. Now we take a look at the eraser. You get whole or partial different sizes erasers to use. You can erase the whole stroke by erasing on the part of it using the whole eraser, or you can use partial eraser just like the real ones. The next tool we're gonna check is scissors, where you get lasso or rectangular selection tool. You can select your writings or drawings to reposition or resize them. But this is not applicable for images, stickers, and other media, sadly. When you finish creating your notes, you can switch to reading mode by using the scroll-only tool. Now you can use your Bluetooth pen or finger to scroll on the page. Then finally, the recording function in Notability. It's one of the most prominent features of Notability, which you can tell from the icon of this app. It's extremely convenient and powerful. You can record your surroundings and you get a no replay after recording. Just tap on a certain stroke, the recording will automatically navigate itself to the timestamp where that stroke was written. I love this feature a lot and I highly recommend you guys to try it if you haven't already. So now let's talk about inserting media. You can add pictures from a library or take a photo from a camera. Scan a document directly into Notability. Add a GIF to make your notes more fun, or add a web clip to preview a website as a reference. You can also insert some stickers to provide compliments to your writings. Then you can connect your Notability with these cloud storage services and then import files. PDF, RTF, Doc, PPT, XLS, and Notability files are all supported. You can also drag your local files by simply drag them all the way to the Notability, or choose Open in another app, then choose Notability. When you want to export your notes, you can export your notes to your connected drives, send them through email, or export to your device as PDF, RTF, or Notability files without any efforts. Now we click on the cog in the left bottom corner to open Settings screen. Connect your account to these cloud storage services and optionally back up your notes. Then you can change your in-app theme using these themes. 2 of them are free and you can choose to buy the themes you like. You can also set the defaults for your page templates and typing. 15 languages are supported in Notability. Then you can secure your notes by setting a password or using finger identification or Face ID. In the iOS sleep timer, choose whether to keep your iPad awake or not when the app's running. Adjust the speed of text-to-speech, add a password to a web clip when it's necessary. So that's all of today's video. Comment down below of what you love or unsatisfied with this app. If you find my content helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!